Hello everyone. My name is Gulab and I am going to present my first Excel Blinkit grocery data analysis project means dashboard. So you may know the Blinkit grocery app is quick grocery delivery app. Now you can use in all across India in metro cities. So I used for the data from the Kaggle, and the most motive or goal of this project or dashboard it is to analyze the sales, then outlet performance, location performance. So now I will explain one by one how to dashboard work and what is the step of the dashboard. So we can see here this is our dashboard. So this is a 4 KPIs means placeholders. In the placeholder you can show the overall summary of the project. You mean the total sales, average of the sales, number of the items and average rating. You can basic idea or quickly you can get information about this project. Then below that you can see the fat content. In the fat content I used a donut chart for the basis on the low fat and regular. You can see here the data distribution depend on the fat basis. Okay, so also we can see here fat by outlet. In this bar chart I used the fat by outlet to show the low fat and regular to the basis on the product distribution using the year. On the right hand side you can see here there are list of the item types. There are different types of the item you can see here. There are fruits, snacks, household, frozen foods and many more. Basis on that, on the right hand side you can see the outlet establishment. In the outlet establishment you can see the different types of the year. On the basis of the data you can see the different types of the year and the performance of the sales or data. In the older you can also compare that the older years and newly sales. Whenever you can see the performance of the data, below that you can also see the outlet size. There are 3 types of the outlet size: high, medium and small. Donut chart you can see there are the representation of the percentage of the sales according to the outlet location. Based on that there are show the outlet locations basis on tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. It is a location detailization of that particular product. Below that you can see outlet type. What is the outlet types? There are 3 outlet of types. First of all, first type, second type and third type. Supermarket, grocery store. You can see here the total sales, total average and number of the sales. So this dashboard is all over dynamic or interactive. This is not all about the charts and graphs. So you can see on left side, on this left side navigation part. So I used some filters or slicers for the above projects. Here you can see the outlet size. In the outlet size there are 3 types: high, medium and small. Whenever you click on outlet size, for example you want to see overall performance of the particular outlet size. For example you can click on the high. So I'm clicking on the high. The whole entire dashboard we can change and show details about only of the outlet size basis on the high. Then also you can see the medium outlet size. Okay, so also you can see here the every value and each value are changed basis on the outlet size. Then I use a small outlet size. You can see here again there are different changes. Outlet established changes, outlet size are changed, outlet types are changed, means every data are changed basis on your outlet size. Same as next filter I used outlet location. In this outlet location there are 3 types. First tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. When you click tier 1 here you can see the changes of these dashboards. Then you can click on 2. Here you can see for outlet location 2 the basis and performance of the data. Then 3, as well as I used the same third slicer for item types. For the item types you can see here there are different types of item I can add. The hard drinks, healthy and hygienic, household, meat and other snack foods, etc. When you click on your hard drink, let's see what is the changes in our dashboards. When I click soft drink, also the changes of the dashboard. So apart of these filters I also use 2 navigation buttons. Whenever I click on home button, okay, so this button takes back into the pivot charts. So you can see here I all perform or make pivot tables basis on these dashboards. This is in this sheet. The pivot table is a backbone of the dashboard. So you can see here there are multiple KPIs: total sale based content. There are filters, total sales outlet for sales types, total sales by item types and many more you can see here. Okay, so there is another one button is data. Okay, so here is a sheet or report. This is a clean validate data for I am making for the analysis. For this data cleaning I used a Power Query for the data formatting, data validation, remove duplicates and null value. They perform all formatting and calculations on Power Query and then the clean and clear data used for the pivot tables. After that, making this all whole dashboards, you want to actual view of this your dashboard, you can unfilter all, then you can back on your original view of the project. I off all of this, then look at this, you can see the whole project for all filters and all slicers. Whenever I'm talking about this is not about charts and graph. This dashboard or this project you can use and also for your analysis or decision making in for your grow of your business. So whenever I say how to use for your business decision making, you can see here this is the outlet establishment. The year 2011 or year 22, the all year summary are here. You can see each and every year for this all performance or challenges, which year you perform all sales or management, which challenges are facing. Then another you can see here when you item types, when you click on the dairy product, seafoods and soft drink, when you click on the dairy product, there is the highest sales of the dairy products. So you can analyze or you can take a decisions for which product or manage the stocks. You can take decisions based on this analysis. So this is very helpful and interactive dynamic dashboard. So I hope you have getting basic idea of this project. So thank you for watching and thanks for your time.